If you use the Apple Watch with the Ocean Band, are older like me, wear reading glasses, and you use two different notches for your activities and day-to-day wear, here's a very simple hack to quickly put on your Apple Watch without counting the holes. I use hole 5 for day-to-day wear and hole 6 for my runs and walks. Using a Uniposca Fine marker PC3M.1, I draw a line over hole number 4. Next, I count to hole 7 and draw a line over it as well. Let it dry for a couple hours, and now you can quickly put on your Apple Watch for activities and day-to-day wear without counting any holes. I hope this helps.